So in order to create the U-type support, first we'll go over here and create a new family, and then we'll select a template from the files that we already have. So we go here and select the metric generic model line based file and open it up. Now we can draw it by clicking on two separate points. And so after that, I'll open up the Windows Paint. Now we need to draw a U shape that creates an area like this, and then it's actually the reverse of a U shape, and then it gets some depth by drawing these lines and then connecting. After that, we have some slots in the bodywork of this using the same distance between them, which make it look like this. Alright, and then on the side that goes on the type, we have three rows. The ones on the end are parallel and they look the same. And then between the rows, right in the middle, we have a new row of holes and slots as well. This is in order for you to manage the supports in the different areas and fit them right here. There is, for example, a U-type expansion which goes through the slots like this and then connects in the end, and other shapes. Now we're going to draw this. The first step is identifying the dimensions that we have. So we have these over here, which includes the height and the thickness. So I prefer to create this profile in a new family, and then I'll move it to the line base to use it. So I'll close this and then go over here and create a new family and select the metric profile here to the files and open it up. Now here, using the reference plane tool, we'll draw these two vertical lines here, then another one up top which is horizontal. Then I'll use the measure tool and check the distance on this, and then put the scaling on 1 to 1. Now I'll get the distance of these two as well and then equalize them, and I'll get a measurement for this one as well. Now I'll name this one W, then I'll name the one on the side H. Then after that, I'll select the reference plane tool once again, and then draw two lines, one right here and another one here. Now I'll select these two, and as a label, I'll name them W2, or let's change it to half dash W, and then hit OK. After that, we have the thickness. So I'll select the line tool and then draw from this point right here, and then we go to here and connect it to these 4 points. Now I'll move the thickness about 2 millimeters up. Let me just open up the edit type to fix the dimensions and have them exact. So the H is about 30 and half W is about 13, and the W itself is 48. These are the dimensions that we have in the catalog itself. The thickness itself is about 2 millimeters. So we have 13 millimeters here, minus 2, it's 11. So put in the 11 here. Then here we have 28, that's minus 2, 26. And then 46 minus 2 equals 44. Then we move it down and then change the direction and then lock it here. So select the align tool and then lock it from this point and then this one as well. Now the dimensions weren't going to move either way, but we're just making sure. So I'll save the file up to this point, and for a destination I'll go over here to the mechanical folder and the families, and I'll name the file usupport-profile. There we go. After that, I'll open up the options and have the maximum number of backups on 1, and then I'll save the file in this destination. Then I'll load this into the line based. Alright, so get it saved of the file up to this point here. Now for the name, we already have the use support profile. We'll just edit the profile to line based. There we go, and then we put a maximum number of backups on 1 and hit OK. There we go, and then save it. Alright, after that, I'll select the sweep tool, then select the pick path tool, and I'll click on this line. Finish that up, and then we'll go over to the left view. Here I'll select the profile and put the profile itself on the use support profile and add it here. There we go, it's been placed exactly in the spot that we wanted, so we'll finish it up. Now I'll select this and then open up the materials menu and give it a parameter, let's say galvanized, which is the name that I choose, and then hit OK and OK once again. After that, we have the subcategory, which is not existent here. Be sure to do all of these steps in your projects, even if they aren't actually found there, to be sure. So go over to the Manage tab and the Object Styles and create a subcategory here. Let's do something else first. Cancel these, and then I'll go over here and put the category on Pipe Accessories. There we go. Now doing this may result in some subcategories being added here, which it didn't. So I'll define them myself. To the object styles is where we go, and then create a new subcategory here, which we'll name use supports. And the subcategory is going to be the pipe accessories type, and then hit OK. Now we can select the color for it, which I'll go with orange for now, and then apply and OK. Now I'll select the structure itself and put it under the subcategory of use supports. Now this is the general shape that it gets, but next we're going to create